Hi guys, today I'm gonna draw Goku in 4 different styles. Let's start. First, the sketch. To be honest, here I want to draw Goku Ultra Instinct because I like it. That is the only reason why. If you want them drawing another character, just comment below in the comment box. Here, I'm gonna use my cell phone to select the eye style. Now, One Piece. One Piece! Okay, here. Let me tune Goku. First, the sketch. I have to change the sketch. Now, the liner. And now, the color. Guys, I have to say sorry for my English. Now, the second one. Please, One Piece this time. Please, One Piece. One. Oh, shit. Okay, I have a Marvel book that's gonna help me a lot right now. And let's do it. That looked fantastic, guys. Okay, that is the second one. Now, the third one. This time is One Piece. I hope. Okay, One Piece. One. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Whew. Okay. To be honest, it's good. It's good. But this time, I hope. Come on. The funny thing about that drawing is the bounce. I'm gonna use a white pen to draw in the bounce because I like that style. Comment below what another card do you want for the next video, I guess. And comment another art style. And this is the final result. Never forget, God bless you every single day. And guys, see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.